Abu Bakr and a mango tree. Long, long ago, there was a beautiful mango tree and a little boy named Abu Bakr who played around it. Every day, Abu Bakr played with the tree, climbing on branches, eating the wonderful mangoes, and taking naps in the tree cool shade. Both the tree and Abu Bakr love each other very much. Time passed and Abu Bakr began to grow up. He no longer came the tree every day, and when he did, he was gloomy. The tree invited Abu Bakr to play. I can't, Abu Bakr replied. I need to buy the things I want. The tree felt sorry for Abu Bakr and told him pick the mangoes from his branches and sell them to get the money he needed. Abu Bakr enthusiastically picked as many mangoes as he could, put them in a bag, and left without even saying thank you. The tree waited for Abu Bakr to return, but soon became sad. It seemed as if Abu Bakr has forgotten his beloved tree. After many years, Abu Bakr returned to the mango tree. The tree was very happy to see him. Come and play with me, said the tree. But Abu Bakr had no time to play. He needed a house for his family. The tree wanted to help his favorite boy and told Abu Bakr to chop all of its branches to build a house. Without giving it a second thought, Abu Bakr cut all the branches of the tree and left to build a house. But once again, he did not visit the tree who had given so much. Then, one summer afternoon, Abu Bakr returned to the mango tree. The tree was delighted and asked Abu Bakr to play. I am too old and tired to play. I just want to go sailing and relax after all my years of hard work. The tree could see that Abu Bakr was unhappy. Why not use my trunk to make a boat? The tree suggested. Abu Bakr then cut the tree's trunk, could make a boat, and left for sailing and relax just he had wanted. But once again, he did not visit the tree who had given so much. The tree was now very lonely. The tree was now nothing more than a stump. The years passed swiftly, and when Abu Bakr came back once again, the tree told him he had nothing left to give except his dying youth. I'm too old to need anything now except a place of rest, Abu Bakr said. The tree smiled and asked Abu Bakr to sit with him and take rest he needed. Abu Bakr sat and the tree was blissful once again. This is a story for everyone. Thus, the tree is like our parents. No matter what, our parents will always be there for us and continue to provide us the best. We always take them for granted and never appreciate their unconditional love. Love your parents, they are the precious gift. As our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, in the pleasure of Allah lies in the pleasure of parents. In the displeasure of Allah lies in the displeasure of parents. In the end, let's all make dua for our parents. رب ارحمهما كما ربياني صغيرا. جزاك الله خيرا.
MashaAllah.